Hello, everyone. This is Professor TK, the chemist, and today I'm going to go over a couple of things for you for these gas laws. Many of you all have expressed interest in trying to understand the gas laws a lot better. So what better way than to have yours truly, Professor TK, the chemist, do you a solid and show you all the easy way to understand this. Let's get into it. On the screen, what you all will notice are a couple of things. First side that you see are the gas laws for Boyles. Boyle's gas law deals with the fact that pressure and volume are inversely proportional to each other. That means that if one of those variables goes up, the other variable will go down. What that also means is if you were given a graph and you had to look at what is going on within that graph, you will see a curve, and that curve will illustrate those two variables being indirectly proportional to each other. Some of the things that you want to be on the lookout for are the pressure and volume units. You want to be consistent with them. You want to make sure that your volume is in liters and your pressure is in ATM, unless otherwise noted. Now, let's go ahead and look at this one problem that we have here on the screen. A gas occupies a volume of 3.0 liters at a pressure of 2.0 atm. If the pressure is increased to 6.0 atm at constant temperature, what is the new volume of the gas? So here's the thing that you need to know. You were given the first pressure reading, which is 2.0 atm. You were also given the first volume reading of 3.0 liters. The pressure increased to 6.0 atm. Let me show y'all a quick, easy way to establish this final answer without even setting it up. But I'm gonna still show you how to set it up though. If you noticed here, your pressure went from 2 to 6. So in other words, your pressure tripled, right? Well, guess what? Your volume is going to be cut by a third because remember, they are inversely proportional to one another. So that means our volume here is going to be cut by a third. So we already can know that our predicted answer will be 1.0 liters. Now, in case you're wondering, all right, I got you, but let me see the math associated with that. Say less, let's show you. So right here, we know that our formula is P1 times V1 equals P2 times V2. But because we're looking for V2, which is the final volume reading, we're going to multiply P1 times V1, divide that by P2. So now, the first pressure reading was 2.0 atm. The first volume reading was 3.0 liters. The final pressure reading was 6.0 atms. And all you have to do is get rid of your atms in terms of your units because you don't need that anymore. Now let's go ahead and plug this into our calculator. We've got 2.0 times 3.0, which is 6.0. And we divide that by the 6.0 atms. So 6 divided by 6 gives you 1.0 liters. So our answer is A, 1.0 liters. Just an easy way to understand how Boyle's law doesn't have to be complicated. Stay tuned for our next video where we show you how to do Charles' law.